This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by switching the ignition to on with the engine off. This powers the cluster, but doesn't run the engine. Next, use the steering wheel info and OK buttons or the center dash controls to open the vehicle information menu. Navigate directly to maintenance or oil and filter status. This is where the car stores the oil change reminder. Once you see the oil entry, don't delay, select it, because you'll need that screen open for the immediate reset step that follows. Once the oil and filter screen is visible, you perform the actual reset by selecting Reset or Clear. Press and hold the OK or Reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see the prompt change or a progress indicator. Hold until it confirms. Make sure to confirm any follow-up prompt if the system asks you to verify the reset. After confirmation, the display should show a success message or return to 0. This proves the reminder has been cleared and the system registered your action. To finish, turn the ignition off and then start the engine to verify the oil reminder is gone from the dash. If the menu method fails, try the alternate trip reset. With ignition off, press and hold the trip/reset button, switch ignition to on, and keep holding until the light blinks or resets, then release. If the light persists, there may be pending maintenance codes or a sensor fault. In that case, have a dealer or qualified technician scan the car. That scan usually reveals the blockage, preventing a clean reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.